Every ministry leader faces challenges, but effective problem solving is essential for maintaining healthy ministries and fostering spiritual growth. In this lesson, we'll explore biblical approaches to problem solving and practical strategies to address ministry-related issues with grace and wisdom. Studies show that 80% of ministry leaders experience burnout due to unresolved conflicts and challenges. That's why it's crucial for Christian leaders to approach problems with prayer, discernment, and a commitment to seeking God's will. The Bible encourages believers to ask God for wisdom when facing difficulties, as James 1 verse 5 reminds us. Jesus also provided a clear process for addressing conflict within the church, as outlined in Matthew 18 verses 15 to 17. Leaders should aim for reconciliation and peace, following the biblical principle of a gentle answer turning away wrath. Maintaining unity is also essential, as Ephesians 4 verses 2 to 3 calls us to make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit. Practical strategies include identifying the root cause of issues and using discernment to make wise decisions, as Proverbs 20 verse 5 suggests. By approaching challenges with biblical principles and a commitment to serving others, ministry leaders can navigate difficulties and foster spiritual growth.